size I need. I've got a 13 here, but I don't know if that's that. I think I might have to go, oh, I think that's it right there. Bam, we got it. So you definitely, everybody needs to have a set of ratchets because they come in super handy, let me tell you. And these are long screws, man, so this could take a while. Let's see if I can do it with a hand now. Okay, so we got that one out. Let's set it right there for now. Now we got to get this one. Be careful not to. This stuff's rusty, so you don't want to cut yourself by it because you need a tetanus shot then. Let's see if I can do it by hand. Nope. So this is going to take a. I did a good job on picking the right socket. I got a 13, which is exactly what I needed. Now it should come right out. All right, these bolts are, you know, you could probably save them. I don't know. Set them over here. Set that there. Okay, now we got to get that. I just got to get one bolt off there, and we're good. Yeah, whoops. So yeah. There we go, done. So that's all that junk. And yeah, we cleaned that out. So yeah, I highly recommend getting these on Amazon because they do work great. As you can see, I got all that stuff off there. Now I got to position this. So I've got to kind of like pull it forward a little bit. And I kind of want it like right there. Really tell you the truth, I want it even. So now I've got it right where I want it. And you can see up here, I think I'm going to leave this one on because it's still working. And I'm going to put one right here. So we just got to kind of pop it back a little bit. And we're going to put one there. And then we'll try to put one there. I think that's going to work for us for sure.